Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's see how we can do collaborative directory in Linux. So the task provided here is the Nautilus team doesn't want its data to be accessed by any of other groups or teams due to security reasons and want their data to be strictly accessed by the DevOps group of the team. Set up a collaborative directory. This is the directory on app server 3 in status data center. The directory should be group owned by the group DevOps and the group should own the files inside the directory. The directory should be read, write, execute to the user and group owners and others should not have any access. Okay, we need to log into app 3, which is banner SSH banner @. Are you sure you want to continue connecting? Yes. What is the password? Copy, paste, enter. Okay. Now we have to create a collaborative directory. For that, we have to create mkdir. So we have to give sudo -p slash devops slash data password, copy, paste, enter. Okay, I have created that. Now get ENT. So we need to ensure the DevOps group exists. We need to create if not existing and we have to assign the group ownership. For that we have to use this command get ENT group DevOps sudo group add DevOps. It's done. Now we have to change the ownership sudo change ownership ch ownership own space column DevOps which home directory DevOps slash data enter. Now we have to set the permissions sudo chmod 770 slash we have given 770 because read write execute to the user and group owners and the others should not have any access which is 770 DevOps slash data. Now enable group inheritance. This ensures all new files and folders inside inherit the DevOps group. sudo chmod g plus s DevOps data. It's done. That's it. I think no need to add any users. So we are good. Let's check. Yeah, it's done. Thanks for watching. Let's connect on the next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.